Today we're going to learn how to make a curlicue. So this specific curlicue that I'm making the one straight out of the pattern, the Monster Pillow Buddy, but it'll still give you a good understanding of how to make your own curlicue. So I'm using, for our example, the Brava Bulky yarn from We Crochet, and I'm using a size I Clover Amour hook. So I will link these in the description below for you. So here I have a curlicue that's been made with blanket yarn. So I didn't want to use this as our example for this video just because it's harder to see the stitches, and I wanted to make sure that you could see exactly what I was doing. But you can see that there's basically two curlicues work together for this pattern. You don't have to do both the curlicues together, but that's how this pattern is laid out. So what we're doing here, once we get to our example, we're going to chain out and come back along the curlicue, and then we're going to chain out again and come back. All right, so let's get started with our Brava Bulky yarn. So I'm just going to make a quick slip knot here to begin, and I'm going to chain 15. Now when you're chaining, you want to keep things fairly loose so that you can work into the stitches pretty easily. So this pattern calls for you to do 3 single crochet stitches into the second chain from the hook to start. Now if you're doing just a regular curlicue, not from a pattern, you don't have to start with a single crochet. You can jump right into double crochets if you want and start in this 3rd chain. But for this pattern, we're going to do the 3 single crochets into the second chain from the hook, and I'm just working into the one piece of the chain because this chain piece will be in the middle of the curlicue, so you won't see it anyway, so these holes won't matter. And then for the next part, we are going to work 3 half double crochets into the next chain. Now changing up the stitches that you work in the chain, that'll determine how wide your curlicue is. So if you work 3 single crochets in each chain, you'll have a narrower curlicue than if you work the half double crochet or double crochet. And for the 3rd stitch here, we're going to work 3 double crochets into this chain. And then the pattern calls for us to work 3 double crochets into each of the remaining chains here. So I'm going to work that up quickly, and then I'll come back at the end here for you. Okay, so I'm back here just finishing up the last chain. And once we've put the 3 double crochet stitches into that last chain, I'm just going to finish it off with a slip stitch here into the same chain. Okay, and if it gets all bunched up like that, you just twirl your curlicue to help it curl. Okay, so the next part of these curlicues from the monster pattern is to chain out again to make the second half. So we're just going to chain 17 this time. So we got 17, and then we're going to start the same way we did with this side. We're going to do 3 single crochet stitches into the second chain from the hook. And then we're going to do 3 half double crochet stitches into the next chain. And then we're going to do 3 double crochet stitches into each of the next 13 chains. So I'll show you, I'll do that part off camera again. Okay, so here we are on the last chain that we're going to put double crochet stitches in. And we are going to leave these 2 chains here. Now this is for the monster pattern. Depending on what pattern you're working on, you're welcome to work in these chains as well. But for this monster pigtail pattern, for the curlicue pattern, we're going to leave these 2 unworked, and I'm going to slip stitch into that same stitch that I just placed my last double crochet stitch into. So that leaves you a little pigtail. Now the reason I leave this space in the monster pattern is because I did pigtails or the curlicues with all different colors and then crossed them in the center, and it was just easier if there wasn't as much bulk in the center for that cross. Anyways, I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.